moments in your career when you had to leave quietly without recognition, yet knew your impact mattered. Can you share one?
When I was in Region 7, in the middle of night, I was called by the Director General. That was Joel Villanueva, Senator Joel Villanueva before. And he told me I have to go to Tacloban because of the Yolanda victims. He said that you have to go to Region 8 and see what's happening there. Kakatapos lang ng bagyo din kasi nadaanan din yung Region 7, di ba? When I landed dun sa Tacloban na puro patay yung nakita ko, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko because I was just tasked to see what's happening and to report to the central office. Ang hirap. Mahirap kasi hindi ako pwedeng magpakita sa Region 8 na umiiyak ako kasi dun sa nakita ko na nawala yung mga properties nila, nawala lahat. And then I said to the secretary that, it's so deplorable, the conditions here. Everybody's fighting for their lives. Ang dami pong nagnanakaw. Ang hirap na mag-lead ka quietly with that kind of situation. That for me was the most difficult part of leading quietly without recognition, pero may impact.
How do you protect your peace while carrying the responsibility of leadership?
Pagdating ko sa bahay, hindi ako Deputy Director General. Nakikinig ako sa inyo habang nagluluto ako. The time that I am there, I'm already the Rosana that my family na alam nila kung sino ako. So alam ko kung saan nadidelineate ko na Deputy Director General ako at ako yung simpleng si Rosana Urdaneta. Naalala ko yung mama ko at one time nag-uusap kami. Siguro nasabihan ko siya ng something na hindi maganda. Ang unang sinabi ng mama ko na nagtatak sa akin is that hindi mo ako staff. So ang ginawa ko pagkasabi ng nanay ko sa akin noon, pag pumupunta ako sa palengke, nagtatricycle ako. Whenever you want to have peace, you have to know who you are. When you are able to differentiate that one, then for me, that's peace.
Beyond titles and positions, how do you want to be remembered as a leader?
A mentor and a coach. It's basically the most important to me because I spend a lot of time with my people. Pag nakikipag-usap ako sa tao, kino-coach ko. Parang nanay, even my ODDGPP staff, I would really scold them if you have made a mistake in certain things that would matter most. But I also encourage them to be themselves. That one, for me, is what I want to be remembered. At the end of the day, so how many people have you really helped grow and become leaders themselves in the future?
When your service in government is complete, what kind of women do you hope to be?
Ako, ang gusto ko is, pagka-retire ko, yung naiwan kong Rosana, babalikan ko. Kasi masyado ko na siyang iniwan. Hindi ko na yata nabalikan. So, if need be that I have to go back to that simple life, then I will go back to that simple life.